Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about a new update that I got on my Samsung Galaxy A34. So for the update you will have to go to your settings, and from here you have to select about phone, and after selecting about phone you will have to select software information, and after selecting the software information you will have to select Google Play System Update, and from here you will get to see a new update. If your update is already installed, you will just have to restart your device. To complete the installation process, you will have to restart your device and make sure your device is completely free when you restart it, as it will optimize the apps and it might take a while. Also during update, you will be unable to use your device. So I will quickly fast forward this part of the video as it might take a while, so you will have to wait patiently over here and your device is completely updated on the Google Play System Update. As the 1st August 2024 is the latest update on the A34 of the Google Play System Update, I will let you know when the new update is out there. Now moving on to the next AI feature that you might be missing out, but for that you have to make sure that your device is on the latest One UI 6.1. So the Samsung Galaxy A34 got a new update of One UI 6.1 in which it gets the new circle to search feature. So the circle to search feature was only limited to the latest flagships previously, but now it is rolling out on the other models as well. Such as mid-range, Samsung Galaxy A34 is now also included in this device list of the circle to search. To enable this feature you will have to go to your display, and from here you have to select navigation bar and you will get to see a new feature of circle to search. You just have to turn it on. After turning on this feature, you can use this circle to search now by simply long pressing your home button. After long pressing your home button, you just have to circle anything on your screen and it will search it directly from the Google. It is really handy feature if you want to directly search anything from your screen directly. But that is not it. It has also included a new feature which is the music recognition. Now you can recognize any music that is playing in your background by simply long pressing your home button and then selecting this music icon. After clicking on this icon, it will search for any sound that is playing in your background and it will search it from the Google for you. Also, if you are on a website that is not in your language, or if you want to translate anything from your screen, you can do that directly from here as well. So do check out these new features and update your device on the Google Play System Update. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new Galaxy AI features and the new Google Play System Update that I got on my Samsung Galaxy A34. If you are new around this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.